Okay, so hi and welcome. I hope you're good. In this video, I'll talk about some of the shortcuts for Jupyter Notebook that I tend to use frequently whenever I'm using Jupyter Notebook. So here are 5 of them that I'll be covering today. There are many others, but that I'll cover later. So starting with the first one. So these are the 5. First is the adding a cell below the current cell, then adding a cell above the current cell, then deleting the current cell in Jupyter Notebook, then undo delete in case just you want to bring back those cells, and then merging multiple cells into one single cell. So starting with the first one, adding a cell below the current cell. Now here I have written down some of the codes for importing NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn. And I want to add one cell below this, below the code where there is NumPy and Pandas. So to do that, I need to press the escape key and then press the key for alphabet B. So escape and then B. So B is for below. So it will add, once we do this, one cell will be added below. Now again, let's say if I want to add one more cell, just press escape and then B. So it keeps on adding these cells. Similarly, let's say if I want to add a cell below this line where I'm importing scikit-learn, linear regression from scikit-learn, I'll press escape and then B. Okay, so escape and the alphabet for the key for the alphabet B, that will add a cell below the current cell. Now let's say I want to add a cell above the current cell. The previous scenario was below, but here I want to add a cell above. For example, in this case, let's say I want to add a cell above the cell where there is k-means clustering k-means is being imported. This should be k-means. Okay, so let's say, to do that, to add this cell above k-means, I'll press escape and then I'll press the key for the alphabet A. So escape and then A. So before the k-means, if you see, a cell has been added. So let's say I want to add one more cell above. This cell got added. Let's say I want to add a cell above the logistic regression. Escape and then A. Okay. So pressing the escape and the A alphabet will add a cell above the current cell. Okay, now I want to delete the current cell. I'm in the cell where there is where I am importing k-means, and I want to delete this particular cell. So what I need to do is I'll have to press the escape key and the alphabet and the key for the alphabet D 2 times. So escape D 2 times. Now here it didn't show 2 times, but when I'm pressing it, when I'm doing it, I'm pressing it 2 times. So escape D. Again, let's say I want to delete this last one, D. So this way, the cells got deleted. Now coming on to the undo delete. So I have just deleted 3 cells here, and I want to bring them back. Now this happens, let's say I'm coding and by mistake I have deleted a particular cell. How would I bring them back? So I'll delete them again. Let's delete them again and I'll bring them back. So let's say this particular cell is there. I will delete all these cells where there is k-means and linear regression and logistic regression, and then we'll bring them back. So escape D is to delete, escape DD again. Okay, now I have deleted. Now I have to bring them back. So what you need to do is you need to press the escape key and again press the key for the alphabet Y. So I'll press escape Y. I'm sorry. Okay, it did not work. Just a minute. Okay, so there is some correction here. I'll just repeat. Instead of Y, this should be Z. to undo delete wise for some other task. So here the objective is to undo the deleted cells. So the cells which got deleted, I just want to bring them back. So let's again I'm deleting these 3 cells or 2 cells, k-means and linear regression. So I'll press escape dd, again dd. So this thing got deleted. Now I want to bring them back. I just need to press escape key and Z, escape key and Z. So this bring them back. Okay, so again, just to show, I'll just delete this cell, and to bring them back I'll press escape Z. Came back. Now coming on to the last shortcut, where I'm merging multiple cells into a single into a single cell. Now this you would need, let's say you have written multiple lines of code in different cells and you just want to combine all the text into a single single area. To do that, we just now one thing we need to make sure is whatever cells we are combining or merging into a single cell, they need to be one after the other. It should not happen that they are appearing, let's say, after 1 or 2 cells. So for example, these last 3 cells for importing k-means clustering and linear regression, logistic regression, I just want to combine them. So I press the shift key and the down arrow, and these are all selected. The other way to select is press the shift key, select using mouse, select the first cell and then select the last cell. So all of them got selected. Now again press shift M. Now you can see all of them got combined in a single cell. Now there is no way to undo this. Once you have done it, it will remain as is. If you have to delete, if you again want to make it into separate cells, then you'll have to manually do it. If we, let's say, do escape Z, it will not work. Something will come back, but not the first one, so you'll have to delete the first one. So to merge multiple cells, you just need to select select the cells using shift key, and then again do shift M to merge them into a single cell. So these are the 5 shortcuts I wanted to cover. I'll just summarize all of them. To add a cell below, you need to press escape key and the alphabet B. Then to add a cell above the current cell, you need to press escape key and the alphabet A. To delete the current cell, you need to press the escape key and the alphabet D 2 times. To undo the delete, to bring back the deleted cells, you need to escape and Z, the alphabet with Z. And to merge multiple cells into a single cell, you need to press the shift key and M. First of all, select the cells you want to merge and then press shift M. Now all of them first till 4 will work in VS Code as well, because VS Code also has a version of Jupyter Notebook. But the last one, where there is merging multiple cells, it won't work. There is a different set of shortcut for it, that is Alt Shift J. First of all, select those cells you want to merge and then press Alt Shift J. But rest of them will remain the same. So overall, these were the 5 shortcuts. Do let me know if you are using any of the shortcuts already, or if you have any other suggestions or any other shortcuts that you use. Okay, I hope the video was useful. Thanks. Take care.